Hello there. In this video, I will discuss about benefits and limitation of ChatGPT. Now discuss about benefit of ChatGPT, right? ChatGPT is developed by OpenAI, which can generate like human text based on the input to receipts. Some of the benefits of using ChatGPT include natural language understanding. ChatGPT is trained on a large dataset of human language, making it capable of understanding natural language inputs and providing like human responses. Automation. ChatGPT allows marketers to automate repetitive tasks such as responding to frequently asked questions or providing personalized recommendations to customers. Versatility. ChatGPT can be used in a variety of applications including language translation, text generation, and question answering. Large data capacity. ChatGPT is trained on a large amount of data, which allows it to have a vast knowledge and can answer a variety of questions. Cost effective. Using ChatGPT can be a cost-effective solution for businesses. ChatGPT can help marketers to save on labor cost and other expenses associated with managing customer interactions. This can help to improve the bottom line, making campaigns more profitable and sustainable. Coding. ChatGPT can be integrated with different applications, platforms, and services with minimal or no coding experience. It can be used to build conversational AI, Chatbot, and other NPL applications. High speed. ChatGPT can work quickly, generating large amount of text in a short amount of time. This can save time and increase efficiency or tasks such as data entry, content creation, and customer service. Text generation. ChatGPT can be used to generate a wide range of text, including article, blog post, product description, and much more. This can save time and effort for tasks such as content creation, copywriting, and data entry. And also last one, flexibility. ChatGPT can be integrated into a range of marketing channels including website, mobile apps, and social media platforms. This allows marketers to connect with customers in the place where they are most likely to engage, providing a seamless and consistent experience across channels. ChatGPT is still in its early stage and is being updated and improved. As a result, the accuracy, flexibility, and other features are expected to improve over time. Now, discuss about limitation of ChatGPT. Look here, please. May occasionally generate incorrect information. May occasionally produce harmful instruction or based content. And also third, limited knowledge of word, and even after 2021, ChatGPT are not able to provide personal or emotional support or engages in depth conversations about complex topics. They are simply programmed to generate text based on pattern in the data they have been trained on, right? ChatGPT can generate incorrect response confidently, making it all the more difficult to trust. For this reason, it is best used shadowed by a human. So, the most important risk, however, is that customer can mislead or even manipulate ChatGPT to get what they want. As I think it's the most important risk at the moment. So I hope as soon as there was takeover in this, hope do you understand benefit and limitation of ChatGPT. Thanks for watching this video.